I'm not that size. And I say, boy, I'm not your type. My bad, I'm not that size. I'm not that size. And I say, boy, I'm not your type. My bad, I'm not that size. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all, hold y'all. I really don't feel like doing this today. But here, out here, I just don't feel like it. But I'm here, I'm doing it. It's a challenge. It's 30 days. And there's something medically wrong with me. My body's sore and yeah, so time to beat is 4 minutes 18, 323 jumps, and let's go. Weigh in tomorrow. Weigh in tomorrow. Remember that starting weight was 314. We'll see. Hoping to be down at least 5 pounds. I'm not just doing this. I do another little workout at work. 51 jumps in 39 seconds. Hey, that's not bad. I'm hurting from my earlier workout. $150 in 1 minute and 51 seconds. 163 in 2 minutes. I'm definitely gonna beat it, y'all. But am I gonna beat it 418? Am I gonna beat it in less than 418? I don't know. Shit. I don't know. God damn it. $178. $233 at 206. Yo, I'm killing it. Killing it. Okay. $219 to 242. Might not beat it, y'all. 224. We at 246. I gotta beat 418. Got 100 jumps left. Or less than 100 jumps left. $235. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Three minutes, 2:42 on the clock. Got a minute and 18 to beat 323. All right, let's go. Shit. Not starting off strong now. Got 53 more jumps till I beat it. $261 and $320. $73, $330. Oh, watch me. Let's go. Let's go. trying to get to 90 on this jump. Trying to get to 90. Shit. I was one more jump away. Trying to get to 96 on this jump. 96. Shit. Almost. One jump off. Trying to get to 3. Hey, 305. 305. Nope. 306. 304. All right. 304. 355. I can beat it. Let's get to 309. That's 5 jumps. 309. Woo! 318, 404. I'ma beat it, y'all. I'ma fucking beat it. Yeah. Ah. $330. $330, y'all. Hold on. $330. 4 minutes and 14 seconds. You know what I do? I'm out of here. Bye. This one took a lot out of me. I didn't really want to do it. Didn't want to work out today. But I jumped. I beat my time 4:14 with 330 jumps. For me, that's progress. I got some water. Y'all done. Just thank you for supporting me. Thank you for following me on my journey. And I really appreciate y'all's motivation. Keep it up. Thank you.
I'm not that size, and I say, boy, I'm not your type. My bad, I'm not that size. I'm not that size, and I say, boy, I'm not your type. My bad, I'm not that size.